If you've been staying up to date with the channel, then you know recently we took a look at 5 different products that you gave us 5-star reviews on for the Chevy C10 and the Ford F100. Well, there's one more vehicle that we can't leave out, and that's the classic Bronco. So in today's video, we're going to show you 5 different products that you gave us 5-star reviews on for the classic Bronco. For the first product, we have the Borgson Power Steering Conversion Kit. Our customers seem to really enjoy this upgrade on their Bronco, and this is what one of them had to say about it. I bought this product a few weeks ago, and it was a direct bolt-on as advertised. It works great, it's got tight steering now, and there's no more road wandering. The second product on our list was the 13-gallon fuel tank for the Bronco. Wade left us a review and said it was an excellent fit, a great price, and it looks just like the original fuel tank. Coming up next is the window and track felt kit for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. Not only did we get a great review left on this product, but if you want to check out the product a little bit more in depth, we do have a video showing this product off and what the kit includes. But this is what our customer had to say about it. I couldn't stand the rattles from the windows when I hit small bumps, and when we found these window track replacements at CJ Pony Parts, I ordered them right away. The parts came quickly, installation was pretty easy, and they fit perfect. The best part about it is now there's no more window rattle. For the fourth product, we have the Bronco V8 3-row aluminum radiator. And our customers seem to really love this product, and a customer by the name of Nate left us this review. The radiator was a perfect fit in my 1968 Ford Bronco. It looks great and was the best price on the internet. Last but not least, we have our final product, which is the 1970 to 1977 Ford Bronco metal hood. And before I get into this review, if you didn't know, we actually sell a lot of the replacement panels for the Ford Bronco. So if you're in the market, definitely head over to our website to be able to check them out. We had 2 reviews left on this product, and the first one said this: I bought this and it was delivered in less than a week, and they were great to deal with. And our other customer had to say this: I love this hood, it's just what the old Bronco needed. I know this video is different from our typical resource or install video, but we wanted to come up with a way to be able to show our appreciation for all of you at home. When you're ordering a part off cjponyparts.com, don't forget to leave a review. We like to read them, and who knows, we might do another review video in the future, so yours could be in it. Also, let us know in the comment section below if you'd like to see more content with this Bronco. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, check out cjponyparts.com for all your Bronco part needs.